Oh, Christmas tree, your leaves are always giving. I know a lot of us want to give back this season, but extra precautionary measures have to be taken, especially now. So the Every Mikkle Foundation is here to share how they'll be serving safely. Student Director of Co-Head Events of Every Mikkle Foundation, Adam Griffith, joins us now. Good morning, Adam.
Good morning, Empress. Thank you so much for having me.
You're most welcome. Let's get straight to it. What are you doing? How are you serving safely over the Christmas?
So I'm a representative of the Every Mikkle Foundation, and we're a small nonprofit organization, and our main target is at-risk youth, or any youth that has been marginalized in any way. We like to give back to them as best as we possibly can. And this Christmas, we're having our annual Fun Day, Christmas Eve Fun Day. Traditionally, we'd be on the ground interacting with our kids at the different children's homes. But because of the COVID-19 pandemic, we've had to change our plans ever so slightly. And we move with the times, we take them in stride, and we try our best to still make a very lasting impact in spite of all of the challenges. So although we can't be on the ground, we are still trying our best to interact through our tools of safety, such as Zoom, a stable Wi-Fi connection, everything that we possibly can.
Okay, so you're having a live Zoom.
It would be a charity concert.
A charity concert?
Yes, so we really do enjoy spending a lot of time with our kids. We know them by name. We get to know them, their different talents, and we like to express these talents. So some representatives from our organization are going to be performing for the kids, and the kids will be performing back to us as well. And in addition to that, we'll also be delivering very safely, all following protocols, some gifts that we have for them that we've gotten through donation. And these gifts are something that they'll use every single day for the rest of the year, and things that they wouldn't have access to if not for the donations that we've been so generously given by our sponsors.
Oh, that's cool. So it's a charity event online. How do you raise the funds during the charitable event, and how can Jamaicans support this event?
Well, we try to get funds, or we either get donations by kind wherever we possibly can. So we have been working with the Football for the World. We've been speaking with KFC. KFC donates chicken for us every year. Sorry, and everybody knows how much we love spicy chicken. So the kids are always very grateful for that every year. Okay. And we also get cash donations by whoever can give it. We have a GoFundMe that we always have open to receive any sort of donation that anyone is able to give.
Good. Give us a contact number so we can share that right now.
Yeah, where you can find us on Instagram at everymikkleja.
You know, nowadays, young people, Mr. Give me the number, the man say you can find me on Instagram. You know, that's when you know I'm getting old. Every Mikkle JA on Instagram for people who want to support the Every Mikkle Foundation, doing good for vulnerable young people. What makes somebody vulnerable? Tell me the cohort that you're serving.
Well, it's important to highlight how people can be vulnerable in this day and age because of the pandemic. And at the end of the day, safety is definitely a privilege. And that privilege of safety is not something that's as assured to people who, say, don't have a room for themselves in their own houses, or they don't have access to proper ventilation. And these are the types of conditions that some of our kids in the homes find themselves in. And once we in our foundation find ourselves in a position of privilege, whether it's something as simple as a stable Wi-Fi connection, we like to try our best to give back. Because once you're in a position of privilege, you should always use that to improve the life of your neighbor.
I hear you. Interesting conversation there, Adam. We should continue longer to talk about what our rights are, what our privilege should be, and where we all want to be together in 2021, where
I have a
everybody
lot
has
to say on that.
Listen, where we could all be in the same space, which is our right to have a wealthy, healthy society. But thank you to Every Mikkle Foundation. Adam Griffith, Student Director of Co-Head Events, Every Mikkle Foundation. Follow them on Instagram and support the cause because they give to children in need and other vulnerable young people. Stay with us, my people. We'll be right back. Thanks, Adam.
Thank you so much.